Welcome to Twinkl South Africa. In today's video, we're going to teach you how to prepare for exams. Step 1 is repetition. Repeating information several times helps to encode it into your memory, making it easier to recall later. This can be as simple as saying something out loud, writing it down, or reviewing it multiple times. Association. This technique involves connecting new information to something you already know. This can be done by creating connections between the new information and existing memories, such as making a mental image, using a mnemonic device, or connecting the information to an experience. For example, every good boy deserves fudge can be used to remember the musical notes on the lines of Treble Clef. EGBDF. Visualization. Visualizing information can make it easier to remember. This can involve creating mental images of the information, such as imagining a picture in your mind or using diagrams and images to help you understand and remember complex information. Chunking. Chunking involves breaking down complex information into smaller, manageable parts. For example, instead of trying to remember a long string of numbers, you could chunk them into smaller groups, such as phone numbers or credit card numbers. Focus and concentration. Paying attention to the information you are trying to remember will help to encode it into your memory. Distractions such as multitasking or being in a noisy environment can make it more difficult to concentrate and remember information. Active recall. Practicing recalling information from memory rather than just passively reading it can help to strengthen your memory. This can involve quizzing yourself, writing down what you remember, or teaching the information to someone else. Sleep. Sleep is crucial for memory consolidation, which is a process of transferring information from short term to long term memory. Getting enough quality sleep will help to improve memory recall. And last but not least, mindfulness and relaxation. Stress and anxiety can interfere with memory. Practicing mindfulness and relaxation techniques can help reduce stress and improve focus and memory. This can involve activities such as meditation, yoga, or deep breathing exercises. For more educational videos, please subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to be notified whenever we post. To access teaching and learning resources, click the link in our description box and head over to our website. We're Twinkl and we help those who teach.